You know where you are? Target Matthias speaking. I travel to the best local chop bar across Ghana and beyond. Learn how they cook their most loved dishes. Sit with them, eat with them. Today I am home and I'm very hungry right now. I feel like eating jollof rice and I don't want to go out there and buy jollof rice because I have some rice, real plantain and tomato paste with 100 Ghana cedi, which I think I can use all that. I have to prepare my own jollof rice. So come along with me. Let's see what I can get with 100 Ghana cedi and how I'll be able to prepare my Ghana jollof by myself. Let's go and get the ingredient that I need for my jollof. So first of all, I think I need oil, I need fresh tomatoes, I need ginger, I need garlic, and I need green pepper to be able to get my jollof done. And as well I need chicken because I love chewy chicken. So right now I'm outside. I'm going to get those things that I need. Let's see if Hannah can be able to get me what I want. That's all this video is about. So alright, so give me the chicken. 25. Alright, so I just finished getting the things that I need for the jollof, and to be honest with you, I spent 47 cedi 50 pesos, which I left with 52 cedi 50 pesos. So let's get back to the kitchen. Alright, so without wasting too much of your time, I am back at the kitchen. And to save your time, let's start with the chicken. I'm going to season the chicken before the stew. Okay, so let's start with the seasoning of the chicken. Let's go, guys. So to make everything so delicious, I need to wash the chicken. I need to wash the chicken very well. It was already chopped into pieces, so I just need to separate it so that I can season it. Just add my seasoning. Just add my seasoning to that. And here with me I have a little salt. This is the salt. So I just add a little salt to the chicken. So I have my chicken on fire, and I need to cover it. So this is my chicken on fire. So because I want to do jollof rice with fried chicken, I'm done with the seasoning of the chicken, which is here. I'm done with the seasoning of the chicken. You just season it for some time because I will be frying it. All right, so I have my pan on fire. I'm about to fry the chicken. right now I think my chicken is doing well. I like how brown it becomes. There is no secret. Just leave it on fire and let it fry. It will get to the point that it will start turning brown. That is when you will know that it's getting done. All right. What I will be using to do the jollof rice with chicken, right? You could see how brown it's turned. I love the color and it's very sweet. It's very sweet. Let's test it. You see how brown the chicken becomes? Yeah, I love it. I love how it's turned brown. So let's test it. Wow. This tastes very good. Alright, so now that I am done with the meat, I am about to start the stew, and this is the most important part of it. If your stew is not nice, your jollof rice is not going to be nice, right? If your stew is not nice, your jollof rice is not going to be nice. So this is the part that you have to pay attention to, and this is the part that you have to take serious. Okay, come along with me. Let's get the stew down. You can see the flavor at my back. Look at it. Onion, which I'll be adding. So I just add the onion to the oil. Then you stir inside. Okay. Now I have my blended tomatoes. So this is the tomatoes that I've blended, you see. So I'll be adding it to the oil. Relax and mix everything. So I'll be using this chili pepper. I add small to water. So just add small into the water, okay? Then you mix it. Make sure you mix it very well. Still. That is how I add chili pepper to my stew. You mix everything again. Then I add a little salt. So now I am about to add the seasoning water. This is the water that I use to season the meat. Okay, I am about to add it to the stew because everything is in here. Everything that I need, the seasoning, everything is in this water. That is why you don't need to throw this water away. So I am about to add this water to the stew. Stew is almost done. You can see how it's boiling. It's almost done. So I put some of the chicken in there. This is the rice. So make sure you wash the rice, okay?
This is how it's gonna look. This is how it's gonna look if we mix everything together. If we mix the rice with the stew, this is how it's gonna look. But this is not the end result. I need to add a little water so that the rice can boil with that water and get soft, right? So I'm coming to add a little water to it. So now that we add the water, it's time for us to close it, okay? So at this point, we close it and lower your fire, okay? Lower your fire. I lower my fire and let it cook well, okay? So let's close it. Now we are 80% done. Our rice is on fire, our jollof rice is on fire, and now what we have to do now is to go and sit, take rest, and keep monitoring the rice on fire. Once it gets soft and cook, we will eat. So let's take some rest.
So now that the jollof is ready, it's time for us to eat the jollof, test it and see how delicious it will be. I guess it will be nice, but just look at my lips. I start eating it even on fire because of how so delicious it is. So come with me, let's eat. Alright, so I am finally done with the jollof, and it is time for us to give it a try, right? It is time to test it and let's see how delicious this jollof rice will be. And I guess it will be so delicious because I trust myself, I'm a best cooker. And before we taste the jollof, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel so that you'll be part of this amazing channel. We are just getting started, yeah? So let's test the jollof. Let's test the jollof. Oh my goodness, it is very hot, very hot. This is so delicious. Like, I never thought I can cook like pro. I never thought. And trust me, this jollof is the most sweetest thing I've ever cooked so far. It's very delicious and so nice. But to be honest, one thing I don't like about it is I feel like it's a little bit salty. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But apart from that, everything is on point. It tastes good. It tastes so good. Congratulations to myself. Oh my God. Congratulations to myself. It tastes so good. So right now I need your help out. I want you to comment what you want me to cook next under the comment section, and I'll do it for you. Okay? And if you are someone out there, you want to cook with me, just comment your locations and what you want us to cook under the comment section. I'll hit to your kitchen and you cook it together. That's how it is. It's supposed to be done, right? I think today I'm overeating. Please forgive me. Just forgive me. Because the jollof is so delicious to the sense that my stomach is full, but I can't stop. I can't stop. Oh my God. It's so delicious to the sense that I can't stop eating. I really want to stop eating, okay? I really want to stop eating, but come on, man. I can't stop. Don't blame me. It's not my fault. I feel like I'm in heaven right now. Oh my God. So now this is what I want you to do for me. If you are someone there watching and there is something you want to cook with me, kindly send me a message on my DM. Thank you for watching. Anyway, I'm not leaving you. Let me finish with the food first, okay? So just relax. Let me finish with the food, right?